Hello everyone, in today's video we will be making a very easy crochet baby blanket. So let's begin the pattern. To begin the pattern we will first start with the slip knot as we do, and then now we will be chaining 20. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, so now we have made 20 chains as you can see. So to start the first row, what we will be doing, we will be doing the second chain from the hook and doing a single crochet. So you'll just keep doing single crochet till the end of the row. So just insert in the stitch, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through. So you keep doing the single crochet. You keep doing the single crochet till you reach the end of the row. So now we have done the first row. We will be chaining one and then moving on to the second row. So now to start the second row, what we will be doing is we will be double crocheting in the next chain. So we will be double crocheting in the next chain. So there you go, we've done the first double crochet. Now we will chain one here and then we will skip the next stitch, and now we will start the puff stitch. To start the puff stitch, you just yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, you yarn over, pull through. You've got 3 loops in your hook. You just make sure the yarn is you pull the yarn as. So we will start the puff stitch now. So you yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull through to a height of a double crochet. Then you yarn over and then pull through the same. So now you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do a few more times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do one more. Then we should have 9 hooks. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So once we have 9 loops on a hook, you pull through all of the. So that's your first puff stitch done. So now you will do a chain 1. So once you've done a chain 1 now, so you've done the chain 1, you will skip the next stitch and now you'll go and do a double crochet here. So you'll do a double crochet, then you will chain 1 again, and then again you skip the stitch and then do a puff stitch. So I'll show again. To do the puff stitch, go yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch, yarn over and pull through to a good length, which is like around double crochet, yarn over and then pull through again. So yarn over, you keep doing this till you have 9 hooks, 9 loops on your hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you'll yarn over again, go in the same stitch and yarn over and pull through. So now you pull through all through the 9 loops and then go ahead and do a chain, and then again you skip the next stitch and then we'll go and do a double crochet. And now we'll do a chain 1. Now again skip the next chain and do a puff stitch. So just to show you again, so it's basically started with a double crochet, you did a chain 1, you skipped the next chain. If you see, this is an empty chain, then you did the puff stitch and then you did chain 1, and then again you skipped the stitch, again did a double crochet and a chain 1 and then did a puff stitch. So you keep repeating till you reach the end of the row. So now we have done the second row. We will chain 1 and now start the third row. So now we are starting the third row. So to start the third row, all we do is we go on each stitch and do a single crochet. So you'll just go on each of the stitch and just do a single crochet on each of the stitch, even the chain 1. You just keep doing the, so you keep doing the single crochet till the end, reach the end of the row, and then chain 1. So we have done around 3 rows. Now we will start with the fourth row. To start the fourth row is the same again. It's just go ahead in the stitch and doing a double crochet, then you do a chain 1, and then you skip 1 stitch and then go ahead and do a puff stitch. So you keep doing that till you have 9 loops on your hook. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now it'll be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So now you'll pull through all the 9 loops and go ahead and do a chain 1, and then skip another, and then go ahead and do a double crochet. So you basically will be doing the same pattern till as much as you like. I'll do some more and come back, but yeah, that's the first 3 rows that you will be keep repeating and doing your pattern. So here's how it's looking. So these are the puff stitch and these are the double crochet. So I've finished around 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. If you can see the swatch, obviously for blanket you'll have to do as much as you want the blanket to be, but this is how you will do and completely repeat the same steps. But yeah, quite happy. These are the stitch. Quite happy with this. So yeah, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section and let me know if you want any other tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, guys.